It was harsh, but I survived it, so yeah, just to feel like that girl. Look at that shine. Hey guys, so I know it's back to school season and I'm a bit late for this, but I thought I would make a video for my people who go to strict schools. I'm in college now, but you know what? I used to go to some strict schools, especially for middle school and high school, and I would get punished if I had nail polish on, and we had to wear uniforms all the time. And I had, like, in one of the schools I went to, I had to keep 2 braids, and yeah, it was harsh, but I survived it. So yeah, honestly I didn't wear any makeup to school, but looking collected is important. So I hope this tutorial helps you. I like to start with, brushing my brows first, because that helps to make you look tidy. And I have some bushy brows because I like it. I have to show you my baby. This is the transparent mascara, and I may have used it in another video. So this is super good, because if you go to a strict school, you can't show any mascara or stuff like that. So I use this as an eyebrow gel as well. So I go ahead and brush my brow. I don't give a crazy soap brow look, but just to have my brows tidy, I brush them up, and yeah, it's natural shape. So yeah, that's it, nothing else. I don't fill in my brows, but if you want, you can go ahead and do that, like really lightly. Take an eyebrow pencil or some eyeshadow and just do it lightly, so it doesn't look too heavy. And honestly, it depends on the school you go to, and this tutorial is for strict schools, so I'm not gonna do anything too crazy. So yeah, I go ahead and moisturize my lips. I did my skincare already, so my face is ready for this. So before doing makeup, remember always to prep your skin. That's really important, because it regulates how your makeup turns out. What I'm gonna do next is use this to curl my eyelashes. What you want to do is go up as you do it, so your whole eyelashes get curled. See, it made a difference. And then I go ahead and use the transparent mascara. Honestly, I used to be pretty lazy, and I would get up to school at the last minute and go. So yeah, but if you want to look nice, you should wake up a tiny bit earlier so that you can do this. So if you want to be sneaky, what I'm telling you to do is, I'm not going to do that, but you could take a eyebrow pencil or something with the same color of your skin, so in my case brown, and just go ahead and draw a little line like that, okay? A tiny line, so that you can shape your eyes, but honestly that's optional. So next I'm gonna put this on my lips. This is the same color as my lips, so you can't really notice it. You can only notice if I put a lot. So I'm gonna put a little and just dab it onto my lips. Yeah, and if you wanna give a bit of coverage, what I'm suggesting is you use a concealer. I'm using this, and I have some acne scars here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover them with a tiny bit of concealer. When you go to school, you shouldn't feel pressurized to look a certain way. You should do what makes you feel good. And don't compare yourself to others, even though it's really, you know, can be hard sometimes. Because when I used to go to school, there would be some girls and they would like just look perfect. I don't know how they did that, but in my eyes they look perfect. So, you know, I used to think, okay, why can't I look that perfect, you know? But honestly, everybody is different. Everybody looks different, and there's beauty in that, because if not, the world would be so boring. Yeah, I tapped the concealer, and honestly it doesn't cover much because I don't go ahead and do anything crazy. And yeah, also if you go to sleep really late and you have dark under eyes, you can just put some concealer and, you know, reduce the appearance of them. I use my fingers to apply it because it's simple. So yeah, it reduces the appearance. Okay, and if you wanna, you know, take extra steps to look extra pretty, yeah, just to feel like that girl, you can go ahead and put some lip gloss. Some schools don't really allow it, but you know, if it allows you, why not do it? So yeah, I don't know, but for me, lip gloss boosts my confidence. Look at that shine. So yeah, if you have any stories of you getting caught with dress code and, like, you know, you've been told off, let me know in the comments. I'm curious. I want to know what you went through. Honestly, for me, it was like hard at school because some girls wouldn't be told off, you know. They would wear nail polish, they would just, you know, wear their hair however they wanted. They wouldn't get told off. But one of my friend and I, we would always get told off. And, like, you know, I don't want to be the victim, but sometimes some people have an eye out for you. So yeah, what I want to do now is use a tiny bit of highlighter, because when I was getting ready for college one day, I noticed that, like, highlighter gives more shape to my face, you know. Instead of just making it boring, highlighter gives more dimension. So I'm gonna apply some here on my nose, and yeah, maybe it's too much, but just a little should, you know, give you that effect. And just a bit here and under my eyebrows to give you some brightness as well. And this is literally a no makeup look. Like, see, I look different than when I started this video, but honestly, if I take some pictures, you can't really notice the makeup. Yeah, so this is the look. Okay, I don't know what one. And yeah, nothing too crazy, something simple. So yeah, if you like this, leave a thumbs up, and I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe and help my channel. And if you wanted me to make other makeup looks, please comment down below, because I'm really into makeup and I love filming myself do makeup, because I love doing makeup, honestly, of course. So yeah, this is it. See you in the next video.